Hello everyone, I am Ajit. In this video, we will be continuing with our SQL scenario based question solution series. So, question number 61. How can we use SCT to write modular queries in the employees table? So, to write a CT, first we will start the CT with using with keyword. So, with name of the city, you can give any name. Here I am giving high salaried staff as name to the city, then as select star from staff. Staff is nothing but table name where salary greater than equals to 80,000. Then we will retrieve the data. Select star from high salaried staff where salary rather okay where employee first name like R. Now we'll run this and you can see we got single row as a result because the name of employee Ram starts from R and he earns more than 80,000. So in this way we can write the modular queries with the help of CT. So next question, how can we handle the conflicts when inserting data into a table with a unique constraint? So what it is saying is when there is a unique constraint on a column and in case you are inserting the same data twice in that column, then there will be a conflict. So to resolve that, we use conflict resolving mechanism. For that, we will use insert into staff, then we are inserting data into only two columns, employee ID and the employee first name. Values 1 comma Aditya. So we are going to insert in the employee and employee ID column 1 and in the employee first name column we will be adding rather inserting Aditya. But in case there is a value present in employee ID as 1 because on employee underscore ID column we have unique constraint, so we cannot add single we cannot insert the single value twice in the same column. So to resolve that conflict we use on duplicate key, update employee first name equals to updated Aditya. Okay, I will take this to the below line so that we can see whole query. Okay, so if there is no entry of value 1 in the employee underscore id column, then the same value, the values which we have mentioned, that is 1 and Aditya, will be inserted in respective column. But when it comes to duplication, what happens at that time? ID will be same, only the name, employee first name will be updated to updated Aditya. So we'll run this query. Okay, so we need to mention the salary as salary cannot have null value for that purpose. So let's insert 50,000. Run this and we have executed the query successfully. Okay, we'll go to the next question. So how can we create temporary table to store immediate results with scope corresponding to that particular session? So whenever we want to store the data temporarily in that particular session, we create temporary table. So let's see how to create temporary table. Create temporary table. Here we need to provide the name for this temporary table. Let's consider temp table as select star from staff where salary is greater than equals to 70,000, and we run this. You can see we have successfully executed or rather created the temporary table called temp underscore table. Now if we want to retrieve the data from this, we can do that. So select star from temp underscore table, and you can see these are the records, those are present in the temporary table called temp underscore table. So in this way we can create the temporary table. We'll go to the next question, question number 64. How can we use case statement to update the salaries of staff based on their performance, or let's consider department? Okay, so update staff set salary equals to case. I will take it to the next line when department in take comma HR, then salary into 1.1. So we are increasing the salary of those employees who works in either tech department or HR department by 10%. Okay, then when department in sales, comma, finance, then salary equals to salary into 1.05. We are increasing their salary by 5%. For all others, salary are by 2%. So in this way, we can use the case statement to update the salary. And you can see we have executed the query successfully. So in this way, we can use the case statement to increase. Here we have used case statement to increase the salary based on condition. Okay. So last question. How can we remove all records from staff table but retain the table structure? Last question, very easy. So for this, we need to use truncate to remove all records from the table without deleting table itself. So truncate table staff. We'll run this. This way we have removed all the records from staff table. You can see. Okay, select star from staff. So if we run this, we don't get any record. Even though table is present, we don't have any record in the table because we have truncated the whole table staff. So hope you like this video. Do like, share, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. Thank you.